Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G53. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter Files app, Allow, and as you can see, thanks to Files app, we've got access to Nearby Share, Browse, where you can browse your internal storage and files, divided to different categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps, and internal storage. Next you can clean your junk files. If you go to menu, you've got access to trash, settings, and help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.